Connor, how do you feel about looking into the mirror and saying Hail Mary 7 times?
I do it every morning.
Does that scare you? What about black cats? One crossed my path. We're doing the right click step contest.
I carry 2 through in between ladders every night before bed.
Backwards.
Yeah.
Oh, you walk backwards.
I step on mirrors while carrying cats through, like the in-between of a ladder.
At the same time while it's crossing your path. We're doing our step challenge at right click.
Yes.
And in the distance, I saw a black cat cross my path. And I thought, how far away does that black cat have to be before it's
relevant?
Before it's putting bad luck on me. And it just got me thinking, Connor, about all the myths that we live with in our head and all these new myths that are coming. Are we talking about mythos?
Yeah, we're not talking about mythos, but we're talking about the myths around AI.
Right. AI has saturated our society in such a way.
Everyone's talking about
it. And now people are having weird fears about AI.
Yeah.
And we thought we have some expertise.
A little bit.
And we thought we would help some of our regular viewers dispel some of these myths that we're hearing.
Yeah.
So, you want to go first, or how do you want to do it?
Yeah. Is AI human-like intelligence?
Okay.
Is it really thinking? Is it reasoning? Is it feeling? Is it alive? Is it alive?
That's a deep question, Connor. I don't think so. What do you think?
Yeah. It's not alive.
Yeah.
Right? It is a bunch of math.
Yes.
At the end of the day.
Yes.
It's a bunch of patterns, matching, recognition, based on human data. So it's really not alive, but it's definitely a bit more advanced than your normal computer going through its normal process of answering questions and making results. There is some sort of novel intelligence, not human-like, but something new.
Coming from where, Connor?
Coming from all that math and all that complexity. It's so complex that it is, bringing about this newer form of computer reasoning that was not here before.
Right. But it's pulling the data from Reddit, the internet, other kind of books that have been imported. So all that compute, the content that it's sort of working with is human.
Yes.
That humans have produced. And
it's like an approximation of
and it's a tricky line to draw. It's not human, but is it God? Is it objective?
No, I mean, because it's based on this, biased information,
yes.
data, and yes, they attempt to correct for this bias, but it's never perfect. Do you think it's going to replace everyone's job?
I don't know. Okay, so that's another thing. So these are big myths that we're talking about. Is it human? We don't think so.
Yeah.
Is it objective? You shouldn't think so. We don't think so either.
Yeah, no.
It is all this powerful compute, all this math is working on a data set that is questionable, imperfect, and sometimes taken.
Questionable how they got it.
Scraped. So when you're working with AI, it's not your best friend, right? And it's not going to be your objective therapist or your sage that's giving you wise advice.
It'll tell you what you want to hear.
Yes.
Yes. Probably won't tell you need to get out more and get some walking.
Right. And so in that regard, all of a sudden, is it going to take jobs? What do you think?
I mean, I think it's not a all or nothing sort of, does it take every job or none? I think there's a sort of space in the middle where some jobs that are repetitive, that are, somebody typing all day to enter in a piece of data, those jobs are probably not going to be here forever. But like any technological revolution, it's bringing out more opportunities.
Yes.
The real question is, are they outweighing the jobs that are being removed? Time will tell.
Right.
But it's not just tomorrow everyone loses their jobs to Elon's robot army.
Yeah, that's right. It's like, it's not all of a sudden that there's going to be no lawyers or no accountants or anything like that. We all say this, we don't think it's going to be a cliff where all of a sudden these jobs are gone. It will be more gradual. Every industry has a specific workflow, set of operations that in order for those jobs to be replaced, a lot has to be learned, programmed, tested, managed. I know in our world, trusted. I know in our world, the things we've automated with AI We still need people reviewing it. We still need people who understand those functions. We're a long way from it. Best case scenario, it gradually replaces all these kind of dull, repetitive jobs that make life uninteresting.
And fills them with creative.
Yeah, that's right. Like we're
empowering jobs.
That's right. Where people could thrive.
Bring people up.
Yeah, rather than, just...
We are a bit optimistic here.
Yes, who knows? Let's see.
What's the next myth?
We talked about AI, is it your friend? Right? Mm-hmm. And no. We talked about AI, is it your
mentor?
Your mentor or your sage? No. Along that same regard, about AI never making mistakes, so say you're setting it off. Say you're not chatting with AI. Say you're working with agentic AI, and you're having it do workflows for you. You're having it respond to emails for you. You're having it schedule your calendar or make assessments based on your inbox. Is it perfect?
No. I mean, really, all of these things that you're allowing it to do, you would have to be comfortable with some sort of failure, some amount of, some amount of 5 or 10% or 20% of the time, it's going to get that task wrong. It's going to send somebody an email that doesn't quite make sense with the context. And if you've spent enough time working with it, you'll know it can be very good, but it can be very good in very worked and defined processes. Whereas these open-ended, I really want to maximize my day for fun. It may tell you should get in your car and drive to Vegas on a weekday.
Yes,
because that would be maximizing the fun.
Yeah. We don't set it and forget it.
Yeah.
Even when you're chatting with it, you want to be skeptical. Even in the agentic space, if you set up some workflows, don't set and forget. You need to, kind of do some quality control.
Yeah.
Overseeing what these things are doing.
And a lot of people in the business end are saying, hey, this agent thing seems amazing.
Yes.
It seems like I'm going to have, if I wear 4 hats, I'm going to be able to give that hat or 2 hats to an AI agent, and I can really focus on what I love doing, whether it's X or Y. The problem in real use cases is the agents work for consumer use cases because consumers are okay with some level of failure of that daily task or whatever they're having the agent do. Maybe it's trying to find them the best sports betting this week. And if it doesn't do a great job, it's for fun.
Yes.
But when it's scheduling, inspections or scheduling, and doing some sort of thing that if it falls through and doesn't do the correct thing, that real money is being lost, that jobs are on the line, and that relationships between companies start, having impact. So it really has to be almost perfect to start replacing and being used as an agent.
Yeah. As Connor was saying, say you wore 4 hats and 2 of those hats you don't enjoy as much, and you've set up agents to run those tasks for you. They're sort of like having employees. And you have to manage the employees to make sure they are performing those tasks correctly.
Yeah.
Last myth for you guys that I think is interesting and I don't think is as clear is this one, Connor. What do you think of this one?
Yeah, I mean, do you need to be some super technical, master's PhD reason astrophysicist to use, AI and to benefit from it?
What do you think?
I mean, I think everybody knows now, right? You can benefit from it if you really just look at what you do every day and start to see maybe where it could fit, where it doesn't have to be 100% accurate to generate value for you.
Yes.
You don't have to babysit it every single minute of what it's doing. So you find the right thing for you and you can benefit without having technical knowledge.
Yeah. I think Claude Code was revolutionary because it can use quote unquote natural language. You can just say, I want to program an app that does X, Y, or Z. You did not need to know all the programming languages.
Sure. Yes.
And so I think for developers are most aware of that, how revolutionary that is.
Yes.
Everyday folks who weren't working in development. So in that regard, you don't have to be highly technical to use AI. But on the other hand, you still need to know something. Like you still have to understand what it is you're installing, what permissions you're giving it.
Sure.
You have to understand like your code repository. You have to understand where the app lives.
What problem you're really trying to solve.
Yes.
Is this solution going to help hurt people down the line?
Right.
If it needs to connect into other parts of your business, that can be a whole other tricky, thing to navigate. So skills.
There's skills.
You still need skills.
You still need some skills. You still need some judgment, some discernment. So I don't know if that's a myth yet. I don't think it is.
I think there's both sides to it.
Yeah.
Well, that's our video for this week on myths and truths about AI.
Yeah.
And look forward to our next one where we talk about what's really coming in this next 3 to 6 months.
That's right. See you guys next time. Thanks.
Have a great one. Bye.